Welcome back. Today I'm here with another high intensity interval training, this time focusing on quadriceps and hamstrings. We'll use a stationary bike for this one. Let's go. Here are the steps. First, you must use a stationary bike that has foot straps on the pedals. The foot straps give you leverage when you pull up the leg, you're working the hamstring. Number 2, set the seat height so that when your leg is extended, it's almost fully extended at about 170 degrees. Number 3, insert each foot into the foot straps on the pedals. Number 4, warm up at a moderate rate for about 10 minutes. Number 5, increase the resistance to as difficult as you can for 60 seconds. The resistance should be enough to require standing on the pedals while keeping the motion fluid. Make sure that you're pulling up on the ascending foot. Number 6, return the resistance back to a moderate setting for 60 seconds. Number 7, repeat the 1 minute high, 1 minute moderate intervals 2 more times. Number 8, after the third interval, return to a moderate resistance and pedal for 2 minutes. Number 9, repeat the 1 minute high, 1 minute moderate intensity intervals. Number 10, cool down. Pedal for 10 to 15 minutes at a moderate pace. And finally, number 11, stretch the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves very well while they are warm. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe because my next video is going to be about how to manage your proportions when you go out to a restaurant. Not always easy to do.